Hello, this is Paul from Foresight Tech. In this lecture, we were going to identify the level of measurement, which means the data type. Statistic based on data, right? We call it data analysis. So we were focusing ordinal, nominal, ratio, interval, 4 type of data. So here is a summary. So let us go to look at what the data looks like. So this is the classification, okay? And any data we call it either is a number, right? So like what the salary, okay? This is a number, or is not a number. I will look at what's the color of this pen. This is red, right? So red is not a number. It is not a number, but it's the kind of data. So if it's not a number, we call it category data. If it is a number, we call it numerical data. Numerical data we also call it quantitative data, right? Category data we also call it qualitative data. Now we have these two categories. We do separate. We look at the category data, which is not a number, right? And some data can be ordered, right? Can be ordered. So like we're talking about the grade. The final grade is either A or either B or either C, right? Like this. So these can be ordered. A, B, C is a common and normal order. So any category data can be ordered. We call it ordinal. So another is cannot be ordered without order. So like the gender, male and the female. No one says which one is at the beginning. Okay, at the first of before another one, we cannot say. So that we call the nominal data. Category, we have these two. For numerical data, we also have two types. Numerical data, the first, if data we can find a true zero, means zero really means nothing. Zero really means nothing. That means true zero. Okay, so like we're talking about the weight. We're talking about the height of something, some tree. If the height of the tall, how tall? If the tall is zero, means what? So no tall, right? It's nothing. Or we're talking about the weight of something. If weight 0 pounds, it means really nothing. So that means ratio, the data we call it. Another, if without the true zero, means if 0 in that data means nothing, does not means nothing. Okay, without the true zero. For example, we look at the clock. So you have a clock. Look at the clock, and the clock goes round and around. What is 0 clock? 0 clock, the midnight. 0 just past 12 at the midnight. It means 0. 0 does not means nothing, right? 0 is the kind of time, is at that time point. So that one means without a true zero. 0 clock does not nothing, means nothing. Or another, we look at the temperature. So if we look at the temperature is 0 degree. 0 degree means no temperature? No, it does not. So that means the 0 is not a true. Is not a true. Okay, so that we call the interval. So keep in mind that this is the difference. Ratio or interval is numerical data. Ordinal, nominal is category data. So these two. We will have an example to show you. Okay, with the true zero, without the true zero, the definition. I look at 4 example. So the first example, the temperature of 8 different plastic spheres, or the temperature. So the temperature sometimes is 0, sometimes is 20, sometimes is 40 degree. Means what? This is numerical, right? So first, let me look at it. This temperature, so first we know is numerical data. Is numerical data, no problem. right? Good. Among numerical data, we have two types, either ratio or interval. So let me look at it. Example. Numerical data, either ratio or interval, depends if 0 is true 0 or is not true or is true. Temperature. Okay, 0 is not a true 0, right? 0 is the temperature. So it means, which means without the true 0 is interval, right? And if I put it here, this is numerical, but without true 0, you can say it like this. And it means what? Means interval. If with the true 0 is a ratio, so this time is an interval. So look at this example. Salary of college professors. Okay, we'll look at the salary. So first, the salary is numerical, right? Good. Salary is numerical data. This is good. It's not a category. So I look at the 0. If someone has 0 salary, means really no salary, right? Means this time is with true 0. With the true 0 means 0 is nothing. Okay, this means with true 0. With true 0. Therefore, this time is not an interval, so it's a ratio. Okay. Ratio means a ratio makes sense. If someone has a salary double of another person, means a really double, right? Like if it's the previous interval, ratio does not make something, okay? And if one temperature is 20 degree, another temperature is 40 degree, we cannot say 40 degree is like a 2 double heat than 20 degree. We cannot say that. Means a ratio means nothing. Okay, and the ratio means a ratio really is something. Okay. The two more examples. And look at this example. We're talking about the student's grade ABC on a test. Okay, talking about the ABC, the grade. So first, this is not a numerical, right? So first, we know is category data. Okay, it's a category. Okay. It's a category data. The second, can we order this grade? Yeah, the normal order is A, B, C. A is higher than B, B is higher than C, right? So this exactly is with order. We can order, right? We can order. So that's good. Which means what? Category data. So category data we can order. So we say is ordinal, right? Ordinal here. And we're going to question number 4. The subjects in which college students major. The major is like English, the major math, the major physics. So these are the subjects. Okay. Okay, subjects is not a numerical, right? Math, English is not a numerical. So it's the category. So it's a category data. We say it's a category data. Category data with order or without order. So we look at the major. Like math and English, we cannot say math is before English or English is before math. Means what? We cannot simply order math and English, which means without order. This is the normal way, right? Without we cannot say ordinal, which means nominal, like a gender, female and male. Okay, this is we call. These are the questions. The terminology for this. Thank you.